In the last tutorial, we explored the associative array using a single named key. In this lesson, we'll create an array that holds multiple key value pairs, known as a multidimensional array. A multidimensional array is an array that contains one or more arrays. First, let's look at the following table. Here, we have a student's name followed by the grades each student has received on 2 tests. In our example, we've stored the data in each row in an array. The first array has the name John and his 2 test scores, followed by Bob, Sam, and Ted. We have 4 arrays in total. Each array's values can be accessed using its position in the table we looked at earlier. The value is actually its index number, but the table makes things much easier to understand. Taking a look at our first echo statement, we can see that the value John in array 1 has an index number of 0, 0. John's first test score has an index number of 0, 1. His second test score has an index number of 0, 2. Now let's output Bob and his 2 test scores. Bob has an index number of 1, 0. His first grade can be referenced using index number 1, 1, and his second test score 1, 2. Sam has an index number of 2, 0. Test 1 is 2, 1, and test 2 is 2, 2. So by now you can probably see the pattern, and you can apply the same concept to output Ted's grades as well.